Alright, so got my shirt on. I don't even know if I put on deodorant yet, but it's not a big thing. Let's pop this on. Force for men. Not product placement, but I got it. It was cheap. Oh my gosh. That's 1, 2. I don't know how you're supposed to technically put this stuff on. I gotta put this on my chest real quick because I have like scarring on my chest. I shaved the other day, so let me just put some of this Bump Patrol thing on it. And I'll put some bio oil on my face too. So my face is about to be really, really greasy, but that's okay because I'm about to do this makeup stuff. Let's do some makeup, you guys, which I don't know how to do. And the best thing is my mirror broke. Here's my mirror. It's broken, but we'll make do of it. Yeah, it's not really working. Okay, so I'm using this LA Girl Pro Coverage. It's pretty expensive in Korea. It's like, I think this was $15, and this is the concealer thing. It's like $10, and that's because everything's super expensive in Korea if you're black, because they don't have our shade. But I mean, it's not their fault, so. I literally just bought this yesterday. I have no clue. Like, I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, let's see. Dude, I'm hella ugly, dude. Is this how you're supposed to do it? I can't even see myself. I still look ugly. Yeah, let's blend it all in. I think I'm good. I don't know. I think that's it. I'm gonna put on here, here, all my scarring. Alright. I didn't watch any makeup YouTube videos, so I'm like making this up as I go. Dude, I don't know if I did this right. I hope I did. Maybe. Let's do some eyebrows, because I don't have eyebrows. How does this work? Oh, okay, I gotta like dab it on my eyes. Let's give myself like a little bit more eyebrows. Yo, what am I doing? I'm never going to do this again before a shoot. I'm trying. I'm probably going to look really bad. Want some chapstick? Okay, you guys, I'm done. I don't know if this made any difference or I look any worse, but yeah. Okay, now all that's left is to do my hair. I got some coconut oil. It's really hot, so I had to like grease it to make it like this again. Oh, I still have makeup on my fingers too. Got some coconut oil. Just put a little bit on my hand. I just dropped some on the floor. Coconut oil and some argan oil. Mix that joint together. Pop it in my hair. Make my hair nice and oiled and nice. And then I would take a comb and comb this bad boy out. And then tie it up. I'm ready to go to this photo shoot. Hopefully my makeup is good. This is really like my first time doing my makeup because usually I have a makeup artist, but do what you gotta do.